Hi everyone, my name is Gabriel Diaz de Leon, and I'm a multiple subject teaching credential candidate at the Ventura campus for La Verne University. Uh, I'm about halfway done. I have some more classes, so I should be done by next year. I'm really enjoying my time there, and I'm really excited about the direction that my life is going and my future career as an educator. So this presentation is just to fill in what happened before that. So this is my life so far. Um, I was actually born in Whittier, which is in LA County. I spent my first 18 years there, and I had a pretty awesome childhood. Most of my family's there. I have lots of cousins my age, and I still see them pretty regularly. I was born at the Whittier Hospital Medical Center, and that's where I met my parents, Raul and Josie, on the left there. They're extremely charismatic, amazing people, and I wouldn't trade them for anything. They're the best parents in the world, and they made me who I am today. And all my strengths, all my weaknesses come from them, and I wouldn't change a thing. I also have a sister. She's all right. No, she's cool. I like teasing her a lot. Her name's Christina, and she's a awesome sister, and we get along really well. She's actually an educator too. She teaches at Moorpark College. I included this slide just to kind of give an example of my early life that inspired me to want to become a teacher. I went to a Lutheran private school from 2nd through 8th grade, and that's where my fondest memories are. Those were my best school years. I loved learning. I was really engaged with things. I wanted to make my teachers proud, my parents proud. I liked showing them the new things I found out, and they were really receptive to that stuff. It worked like that. It was a lot of those foundational skills and knowledge. And so I want to be that for students someday in the future, what my teachers were for me. So that's just a little bit of my early childhood that affected me now. After Whittier, we moved to Thousand Oaks in Ventura, and that's where just add this little personal bit about me. My dog Zoe, she's about 12 and a half now. I got her a year after we had moved. So she was my new best friend. It was hard to meet new people in this new town. So I include her in here because she's a part of my family. I went to school for some years at Moorpark College. And I decided to move to Seattle for a little bit to kind of discover some things about myself. This is just a part of my life that shaped who I am today. Just that I had it's what got me to go back to school and finish to get my bachelor's degree. So this is what I thought my self-discovery would be like, bright and beautiful in Seattle, but it actually was more like this. So that's why I include that in there. So I went to Cal State Channel Islands and graduated with my English degree there, and that's where I met my new best friend, Allison, who would become my future wife. But not yet. We were just best friends in college, and I graduated, and that's my grandma, my dad, me, my mom, and my aunt. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know where to go. It's hard to know with an English degree. And so I decided to go on another self-discovery quest or trek, and I decided to do the Pacific Crest Trail from the trail that goes from the border of Mexico to the border of Canada. It's about 2,700 miles. I took about 6 months off, and 4 months of those were just hiking. I didn't finish it. It's harder than you think. So I did about 1,700 miles, and I learned a lot about myself, that I can push myself, that I'm stronger than I thought, to give myself credit, to be happy, and also that I hate oatmeal from that trip. But that's what inspired me to go back to school and try for my teaching credential, to impart the knowledge that I have on kids like my niece. I have one niece now, and she's been a big inspiration. I love reading to her. She loves to read to me, and she really helped inspire me to want to teach kids. She's 7 now, so teach kids her age and to continue teaching her as I get older. And lastly, this past April, I just got married to that best friend from college, Allison, and she is actually in the program a little bit ahead, so she should be done this year. And I got to say, it's pretty great being married. And so yeah, that's my life so far. That's kind of what made me who I am today. So thanks for watching this, and I look forward to watching your videos. All right, thanks.